Hello, I'm Alethea Price, Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Welcome to the video series, Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens. This program is in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. Each week on Thursday at 4 p.m., a new video will be released online. Each video has a kit to go with it. You can pick your kit up for free at either the Boyle County Public Library or the Boyle County Extension Office. This week we continue our lesson on the 4 simple steps to food safety by focusing on the third step, which is to cook foods thoroughly to the right temperature. Food is safely cooked when the internal temperature is high enough to kill germs that can make you sick. Use a food thermometer to be sure your food is safe. When you think your food is done, place the food thermometer in the thickest part of the food, making sure not to touch bone, fat, or gristle. You can't tell if it's done just by looking at it. The most accurate way to ensure that your food item is cooked all the way through is to use your meat thermometer. Keep this information handy, preferably in the kitchen, so that when you are preparing foods, you know what temperature is needed to ensure that that food is safe to eat. Keep food hot, 140 degrees Fahrenheit or above, after cooking. If you're not serving food right after cooking, keep it out of the temperature danger zone by using a heat source like a chafing dish, warming tray, or slow cooker. Microwave food thoroughly to at least 165 or above. Read package directions for cooking and follow them exactly to make sure your food is thoroughly cooked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to find the link to a survey in the description. Each week we draw a name from those of you who complete the survey to win a grand prize. Join us next week when we wrap up our lessons on food safety.